Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a WordPress username on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your WordPress website that you want to add a username or a user on, click on WP Admin. This way, you will automatically log in to your WordPress dashboard. So to add a username or a user to your WordPress website, it's simple. Just hover over users, then click on add user. Here, fill in your new username, for example. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Here, fill in your new username, for example, new username. Let's use this email address. The username and email address are required. Same thing for the password, but the first and last name and website are optional. Here you can generate a new password to use it or fill in your own one. I will hide mine. And let's send the new user an email about their account, and here you can select the user role from a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. And the administrator is the higher role you can give someone. Click on add user. This email address is already registered, so I will use another one. Let's modify it slightly, and just like that, I've added a new username to my WordPress website. This is the main one, and this is the new one. And let's check that he can log in. This is the new username, and this is the password I've just added. And this is, I've successfully logged to my WordPress dashboard with the new username. And this is how to add a new username to your WordPress dashboard, to your WordPress website. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.